Produktionsmaschinen schnell in Betrieb.
To put production machines into operation faster, and at the same time to improve the engineering quality, virtual commissioning helps to achieve these goals. Like a real commissioning, the mechanics, electronics, and automation program of a machine are combined, tested, and validated, but instead of using real components, simulation models are used. Errors are detected early and not transferred to the real system. This avoids unplanned machine behavior during commissioning, which would otherwise quickly lead to delays and high costs. Virtual testing, simulation, and optimization lead to cost and time savings in the machine development process. Cmatic Machine Simulator combines the virtual controller, Cmatic S7 PLC Sim Advanced, with CMIT. In combination with simulation software for mechatronic machine concepts, NX Mechatronics Concept Designer, Cmatic Machine Simulator forms the basis for virtual validation of complete machines.
Maschinen. Philipp, verrat es doch.
Philip, how exactly does this work?
Das mechanische Modell einer Maschine.
The mechanical model of a machine is based on the CAD data, which is kinematized in the NX Mechatronics Concept Designer, and thus maps the physical and kinematic properties, such as gravity or collision behavior of the machine components. The virtual machine model is then linked to the control program. The Cmatic S7 PLC Sim Advanced Virtual Controller and CMIT are used to simulate the control program and active components, such as drives.
Antriebe wird der virtuelle Controller PLC Sim Advanced und CMIT verwendet.
PLC Sim Advanced is the software for simulation of Cmatic S7 1500 controllers. CMIT contains the behavior models of drives, valves, and components. Alternatively, the real control hardware can also be used and connected to the NX Mechatronics Concept Designer model via the CMIT unit to enable testing of different control platforms.
An das virtuelle Modell der Maschine angebunden werden. Mit dem Cmatic Machine.
The Cmatic Machine Simulator makes it possible to synchronize mechatronic and control models, including simple to complex behavior models, and thus to simulate and finally validate machine-oriented applications.
Somit können wir auch hochkomplexe Anlagen virtuell validieren.
That's a real benefit, don't you think so?
Aber natürlich ist das ein richtiger Vorteil.
Yes, sure. By combining the simulation models of control and mechanics, a digital twin of the real application is created. This allows the machine to be simulated and validated, and initial optimization approaches can be tested. Real prototypes are not required. Project planning errors are detected at an early stage and can be detected before the actual commissioning.
Betriebnahme gesenkt. Außerdem können Konstruktions- und
In addition, the design and automation departments can develop in parallel and can regularly adjust their development progress on the virtual model. For the end user, the digital twin of the machine is primarily an opportunity to train machine operators before the real machine exists. Thus, the digital twin forms the basis for future development work. And with the combination of Cmatic Machine Simulator and NX Mechatronics Concept Designer, this future starts today.
mit dem Cmatic Machine Simulator startet diese Zukunft heute.
Siemens. Ingenuity